Uh, Finally got it. If anyone needs help, taking the broken screen off and replacing it with a new one, I could do it. Because I have this one. This is a Samsung. The broken screen I just took out right now. And I got the, I guess is a new one. Let's check it out. And this is how they put it on. I bought it off of eBay. I bought like, what was it like? What's the discount for this? I don't know, but it was like at least like $3 off. So here's the screen. Oh, is that my hand? I can't even tell it's my hand print. Yeah, I'm not sure that's my handprint. Was it the person that? Well, it doesn't matter about the handprint because I could just take the screen protector, I guess. Yeah. This is the adhesive glue, um, adhesive, whatever, tape, whatever glue, whatever you could call it. I'm gonna put it on. So right now, I'm letting it charge. Yeah, nothing on the screen displaying. Nothing is showing up. It's kind of, it's something has to do with the circuit. Cause this is the original one that had the broken screen. This is the new one, I guess. It has a circuit somewhere right here that doesn't really operate with the OEM main board on this Samsung. I want to try again on this new screen. See that. Oh, never mind. It worked. Oh, damn. Look at this. Uh, Before I end this video, if you want to buy this off of eBay, I got the person address from eBay. I'll put the link in the description, so you could purchase one of this. If you have I forgot what's the brand of this. Is a Samsung 2020 Samsung Galaxy.